Hello guys, welcome to Play Easy Games. I'm Geet from Design with Geet, and today we are going to learn how to solve 3x3 Rubik Cube with simple and easy steps with less algorithms. If you are completely beginner, this tutorial is going to be very useful for you. We are going to use really simple steps, easy to understand. You can easily solve your first cube. If you don't have the Rubik cube but you still want to learn, you can download this application from Play Store. I will put the link of this application in the description of video. This is Rubik cube master application for Android mobile. You can enjoy the any size of cube. This application have 2 by 2 to 7 by 7 Rubik cube. In this application you can have smaller to bigger Rubik cube that you can play. If you are traveling and you want to enjoy the bigger size of cube, you can play in this application, because you cannot carry many sizes of cube with you, but in this application you get different size of cube. So you can have this application from Play Store. Let's move to our tutorial. If you are completely beginner, then here is a simple guide to understand the anatomy of cube. What are the edge pieces, what are the center pieces, what are the corner pieces, you can learn from here. What are the layer, what are the notations are really important to learn. If you want to solve any size of cube, you must memorize these notations. These are simple, that how the faces of cube are moved. So I will introduce with you on the cube also. But here is the guide you can follow. If you still don't understand, you can see the picture how the arrows move, how you can follow the arrows and practice on the cube also. And here at the bottom have all the video tutorials where you can learn from 2 by 2 to 7 by 7 how you can solve the 7 by 7 cube. So let's get back to the cube and start our tutorial now. Here I need to tell you few things about the cube. Here you can see have a white piece, here have red piece, here have blue piece. These pieces called centerpiece and their position is always fixed, and the color combination is also fixed. Maybe it vary in some companies, but here white is always opposite to the yellow, red is always opposite to the orange, blue is always opposite to the green. So how we solve the Rubik cube? Our first step, we will make a white cross here. You can choose any color on the top and you can make the cross with that color, but we are going to start with the white. We will make the white cross, then after that we will put this corner in the right position. Our first layer will solve, then we will solve the second layer. After that we will solve the final layer. So let's scramble now. I double tap on the screen and the cube start to scramble. So first task is to make the white cross, and as you can see here we need just look at the centerpieces here. This is the right, so what we need here, white and red. This is the blue, what we need here, blue and white edge piece. So we have green and white, that edge piece is here, so we will just move it here, and our first edge piece in the right position. We have to match these two color with each other. Now let's move to the next. Here we have right, but you can see here is the red and the white, but this is in the wrong position. So what we do, just take it down and put this red, bottom of the red, flip it up, so green will be all in the right position. What we place already in the right position, we will always take care of that piece. We will not mess with that. We always take to the back and the position where we placed it before. Now we will flip it and bring the white piece on the top. So here our white and red edge pieces is solved already also. So next is blue and white. So we need to find where is the blue and white edge piece. Where is the blue and white edge piece? Let's move to the here. But here you see this face does not match to each other. The blue is at the bottom. So what we need to do, first we will take it here and bring it up. Now this face match to blue, and we will take it up, and this line is solved already, but our red was missed. We will bring it back here. Our red is solved, blue solved. Now we have orange piece stuck here. We will take it out from here first. How we do this? just take it down and flip 2 times and take it up. So our 3 pieces are in the right position, and now we have orange in the right position also. Just flip it up and that's it. Our white cross is ready. Now our next task is to put the corner in the right position. So how do we do this? First we need to check the corner colors. This is the red and blue, so we need to put in the center of red and blue. This is already in the right position. You see, here is the red, here is the blue, and for place the corner here on the top, you need this white color on the left or right side, not at the bottom. If the white is at the bottom, we will flip the corner and bring the white on the left or right, then we will put it upside. Now here you see this white should be go here. So what we do, we will take it forward, bring it down, bring it back and take it up. The corner goes in right position. Now what is this corner? Green and red. So let's take in the center of green and red. Here green match with green, white is on the side and red at the bottom. Red match with this. So what we do, here we position the corner here. The position of right corner is here. What we do, forward, bring it down, insert it and take it up. Now the corner is in the right position. What is this corner now? Blue and orange. So what we do now, take it to the center of blue and orange. Where is the center of blue and orange? Orange match to orange, white is here, blue is at the bottom, match with this. So we insert it here. This corner will go up there. So what we do, forward, bring it down, back and up. So this corner is also in the right position. So now we left only one corner. So where is that corner? Here, orange and green. Take it to the right position. Orange match to orange, white in front, red green at the bottom, and position here, bring it down, back and up. Here our first layer solved already. Congratulations, you solved the first layer already if you follow the tutorials properly. Now next target is solve the second layer. What we do now, solve this second layer. As you can see, the bottom color is yellow, so we need an edge piece that does not have the yellow in it. So here is the orange and green piece that does not have yellow in it. Let's move it here. Bring the orange at the bottom of orange. Now see which side is green. Now you see green is on the right side, and here at the bottom. What we do, green at the right side, we will move this opposite to the green and perform here the algorithm. We will not use the algorithm, we just simply bring it down, back, then up. So what we done, we bring this corner match with this here, and this orange match with orange. Now what we do, insert the white corner back here. What we do, forward, bring it down and back. So you see these orange pieces match with each other, then white line match with white. When we flip, the green corner also match with green, green edge piece also match with the green. Our edge piece is in the right position now. So next what we need, again a edge piece without yellow. Here is it, orange, blue. So what we do, take the blue at the bottom of blue. Now we see which side have orange. Orange is in the right side, so we move this to the left side, opposite of the orange. Then again down, back, up, forward, down, back and up. This is also solved. So this edge piece also comes in the right position. Let's find another one. What we left, we have solved 3 already, 2 already. Now here we need an edge piece without yellow. So this is the red, we will take at the bottom of red. Now we see the green. Which side is green? Left. So what we do, we move it opposite to the green and perform here, bottom, back, up, forward, down, back and up. This is done. This edge piece also in the position. Now we left only one edge piece that should be in right position, that is here. So this is the red blue. First we will take it at the bottom of red. Here we done bottom of the red. Now what is the bottom color? Blue. So blue is which side? On the right side. What we do? Flip to the opposite and then down, back, up, forward, down, back and up. So our second layer is done already. Congratulations, you have done 2 layers. Now we reach to the final section of the cube. We will solve the final step, final layer of the cube. So to solve the final layer, what we need to do? Flip the cube upside down. The white color will go down and yellow will come up. So here you will find some different cases. In first case you will see only one yellow here. Second case will be like this, 4 yellow are here. Third case will be like this, only 3 yellow are here, 1 yellow is here. The next case it may be this is horizontal line here or this is line is here. These will be the cases here. You can see also in some cases this is yellow and this is yellow. Only these 2 pieces are left to solve. So what we have to do in these cases, we have to hold the cube like this. It make L with front and right face, and here we need to perform a small algorithm. The algorithm will be on your screen. You follow the algorithm. You can take the screenshot of algorithm and solve this cube. So let's start. F R U R U and F. So here you get the horizontal line, the line case. This is the line case. So you need to hold the cube like this, there this line become horizontal to you. Then again perform the same algorithm. F R U R F here. So all the yellow pieces are on the top. Now you see these edge pieces are not in the right position and corner pieces are also not in the right position. So what we need to do, first we have to check if there is any edge pieces in the right position. Just flip it. These 2 pieces are in the right position. You can get here 3 cases. Like first case, you have 2 edge pieces match and 2 does not match with each other. In this case we have matched all the 4 to each other. Let me scramble it little bit so you can see what are the cases. So here as you can see we have only 2 matches, 2 edge piece matches, 2 does not match. So in this case what we have to do, just perform a simple algorithm. R U2 R I U I R U I and R I. So in this case you see these all edge pieces are matched to each other. Our next step is to put the corner in right position. So first of all we will take a look if any corner in the right position. As you can see here, red, green and yellow. This is in the right position but the color or combination is not right. So red should be here, green should be here, yellow should be up, but this corner is in the right position. So what we need to do, hold like this. You see there will be 2 scenario, 3 scenario that one corner is in the right position, second is there is no corner in the right position, and third is there may be 2 corner in the right position. So we have to take one corner. If it's in the right position we have to put in the right side. If there is no corner in the right position then you can hold cube anyhow, it doesn't matter. Now we have one piece on the right position, so hold it right side, then perform the second algorithm. L I U R U I L U and R I. Then next is U I. So here you see this corner still not in right position, then we need to perform again same algorithm. L I U R U I L U R I and U I. So now this corner is in the right position. This corner is also in the right position, and this corner is also in the right position. This corner is also in the right position, but the color is not in the right position. So what we have to do here, here we have the last algorithm we need to perform, that is simple. RI DI RD RI DI RD RI DI RD RI DI R and D. You see here our one corner is settled in the position. Now what we need to do, we have to hold same position, but not, we did not change the position of cube. We will just flip the upper layer and bring the piece here which have wrong position of color. Again perform same RI DI RD RI DI RD RI DI RD RI DI R and D. So you see we have solved the three corner and we have left one, and perform the same algorithm RI DI RD RI DI RD. And once you have done this algorithm, once you are all corner in the position, you are done with the cube. You have successfully solved the cube. Now you see I have just need to move this middle layer and our cube is solved. So congratulations, you have done your 3x3 cube already. This was the really simple tutorial. If you follow all the steps, you will solve your first cube. If you need any help, just comment below the video. I will do my best to help you. Download this application from the Play Store and give your best review. If you face any problem in the application, just comment in the Play Store. I will do my best to solve the issue as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Next tutorial is going to be 4x4, how we solve the 4x4 cube. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.